In this video, I'll show you how to add multiple accounts in the Zoho Mail app. Alright, so here we are in the Zoho Mail app, and what we want to do is go to the hamburger icon on the top left. And inside here you'll see a little drop down button on the right of your name, and then you'll see the add account button once you press on it. And that'll open up your browser, and of course prompt you to sign into Zoho. So I'm going to use Google. And then I'm going to click on use another account. Unless your account is here, you can click on that. And I'll just put in my email. And then I'll be prompted over here to just agree to give access to Zoho Mail. And from there, I'll just need to put in my Zoho Mail information and agree to their policy and hit create account. And now I need to pick my Zoho username. And there we are. It's done. I now have another account added to my Zoho Mail app. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.